こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Mumu is going to make avocado and cabbage spring rolls. These delicious fusion spring rolls are an enjoyable snack or appetizer, crispy on the outside and soft and creamy inside with a hint of wasabi flavor.Simply dip them in soy sauce and you will want to eat more and more. Okay, let's get started. Cut 200 grams of cabbage into small pieces. Heat a little vegetable oil in a frying pan.Add the cabbage, lightly season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Stir fry over medium heat until softened. Transfer to a bowl and let them cool down completely. Peel and dice one avocado. And add them to the cabbage bowl. In a small bowl, place 1 tablespoon of vegan mayonnaise,1 teaspoon of wasabi paste, and mix well. Dip the wasabi mayonnaise into the vegetable bowl and mix everything together.The filling is done. Now, assemble the spring rolls. Mumu uses 8.5 inches or 22 centimeters of spring roll pastry. Mix 1 teaspoon of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of water in a small bowl. This is for sealing the pastry.Lay a spring roll pastry on a work surface with a corner pointed towards you. The pastry has a smooth side and a rough side. Put the smooth side down. Place a heaped tablespoon of the filling onto the lower third of the pastry. Spread the filling out into a log shape.Leaving about 2 inches or 5 centimeters of space on both sides. Pull the corner of the pastry over the filling and tuck the filling underneath to tighten. Fold both sides towards the middle and roll forward once. Dip the tip of your finger in the flour water, moisten the top edges of the pastry, and then continue rolling to seal.The shape should be a slightly flattened rock. Repeat this process and make 6 spring rolls. Heat enough vegetable oil for shallow frying in a large frying pan.Bring the temperature to 170 degrees. Place the spring rolls in a frying pan, sealing the edge downward. Cook until golden on the bottom. Then turn and cook until golden on all sides. Transfer to a serving plate and serve with soy sauce for dipping. できた。ムームー、How does it taste? Okay, Moo Moo said she loves these unique fusion spring rolls. The subtle wasabi flavor brightens up the filling. Very simple ingredient, but Moreish. Thank you for watching Fri Fri Kitchen. ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね。